Taratatan, tan, taratatan. Tatatatan, tan, taratatan. No, it's scary. Watching fireworks. Kids are watching outside. Yay! Fireworks!
Mom, right there.
Yeah.
Mom,
Yeah.
right there.
Oh, beautiful. You just stay right here, kids. They can see the view, though. Wow.
Mom, so beautiful.
So beautiful. You like it? Whoa, that's a big one.
You ask the 51 who's coming to me.
Whoa. Wow, so beautiful. So pretty.
Fireworks.
Fireworks. Wow. Hi, David. Hi, Promise. You watching fireworks? Oh, it's a heart. This look like a heart. Look like a heart, right? Yeah. Oh, tukutu. Oh, beautiful. Nice view. Oh, this would last for like 10 minutes or more, right? Or 15 minutes. Yeah. Oh, oh, look like that's the last one. You see? When it's like, you put Kobe down, Anna. Put him in a stroller. That's the last one. When it's like going fast. Hey, Hopi, come here. Whoa, hi Hop. You fly Hop. Yay. Oh, there's more. Ah. Wow, fireworks. Happy 4th July. Oh, beautiful. Wow, that's a big one. Oh, wow, big. Big. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Big. You move here. Yeah. Go. Look. Oh, that's like a star one. Good job. Wow, beautiful. Iman, we're watching fireworks. We're eating a shupaw. Shupaw.
Wow.
Oh, almost done, right?